तो अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे व्यूअर्स, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ जहर खान और आप देख रहे हैं MTK व्लॉग्स। तो अभी हम निकल रहे हैं एक जगह मॉर्निंग राइड के लिए। अभी एग्जॉस्ट निकाल दिया है। ओके 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 हाँ, तो गाइस अभी हम निकल रहे हैं। द डेस्टिनेशन प्लेस आई विल टेल यू इन द डे। तो मैं नेक्स्ट क्लिप के लिए डेस्टिनेशन इज सेट। इट्स अराउंड व्हाट डू इट्स अराउंड 60 to 65 किलोमीटर। वेरी शॉर्ट ट्रिप दिस टाइम। इट इज वेरी शॉर्ट ट्रिप कंपेयर्ड टू माय प्रीवियस। तो चलो मिलते हैं हाईवे पे। नाइटक इज रेडी। तो अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे व्यूअर्स, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ तहसीर खान और आप देख रहे हैं MTK व्लॉग्स। आज हम फिर से एक राइड पे निकले हैं। आज इंट्रो दिया था। तो हम जा रहे हैं माईडाला लेक। माईडाला केरे बोलते हैं एक्चुअली उसको। शुड आई वेयर इट? नो। तो एक्चुअली मैं उधर निकल रहा हूँ और एक और मैं एक देख सकते हैं 17 मोर किलोमीटर। एक्चुअली इट इज़ 72 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम माई होम, बट ऐसे बैंगलोर से डाले तो 60 किलोमीटर्स है। तो सम श्री रथम प्योर वेज पे थोड़ा कॉफ़ी पिया था। इट्स सो कोल्ड ना, मतलब yesterday रात को कंटिन्यूसली रेन फॉर 3 आवर्स। तो मतलब पूरा दिमाग ख़राब हो गया है मेरा। लाइक नहीं होगा संडे राइड। एंड देन बारिश ख़त्म हो गया तो लाइक फाइन, चलो निकलते हैं करके। इट इज़ 6:13 राइट नाउ। तो चलो निकलते हैं। देख सकते हैं पूरा सनराइज़ अच्छा है। गोप्रो रिकॉर्डिंग। ओह हो। तो गाइस एंजॉय माय व्लॉग। मैं भी निकल गया। आज थोड़ा शॉर्ट राइड था यार। एंड ऑफ द मंथ बजट कंस्ट्रेंट्स। वैसे यू आर नॉट अर्निंग, यू आर जस्ट अ स्टूडेंट दो। स्टिल स्टूडेंट है करके बजट स्टैंड्स है। अगर वर्किंग होता है तो मेरे से राइड ही नहीं जाने पाते हैं। ओ भाई वाइट बर्ड्स, यू शुड आई थिंक इंक्रीज द स्पीड। We have to reach there. Come on, let's go, baby. Oh my God, bro. There is clouds. There is rainbows also. बहुत अच्छा है। अच्छा हुआ बारिश हुई है yesterday. चलो थोड़ा स्पीड भगाते हैं। लिटरली ठंड कैसा है मालूम? अभी बहुत ठंड है। मतलब लिटरली आई डोंट ड्रिंक कॉफ़ी इन द मॉर्निंग। मतलब ऐसे राइड पे निकलता हूँ तो आई वांट टू कीप माई स्टमक क्लियर। केच कुछ भी गलत है, मतलब पेट ख़राब हो गया तो क्यों करके। सो अभी मेरे को कॉफ़ी पीना पड़ा। उतना ठंड है, तो समझ सकते हो कितना ठंड है। आई डोंट नो हाउ मच ठंड है। मेरे इसमें तो नहीं दिखा होगा आई थिंक। 20 सेंटीग्रेड है। 20 सेंटीग्रेड, 20 सेल्सियस है। बहुत ठंड है भाई, बहुत ठंड है। सम राइडर्स आर गोइंग एक्चुअली तुमकुर का रोड है। 20 मिनट्स, लेट्स गो फास्ट। सो कोल्ड हो रहा है ना, सो got the name right, Maidala Kere. So Kere मतलब कन्नड़ा में केरे है, इंग्लिश में लेक है. Kere means. There you go. Oh damn that bro. Crazy rainbow. Oh my god. Again I can see that, right? Like damn bro. And that clouds over there is like so fucking beautiful. Oh, it's been so many years I came this way. I think it's been 2 years I came this way. I don't usually come this way. My whole is like that side, north side. And I just took one trip in south, I think, this way. Something happened? No, I think it's okay. Oh my god, beautiful. Hey, it was on the right lane, I was left the bar. Okay, I see some mountains. Oh my god, my nose has become running. Wow, the weather, that's how cold it is. And I go in 90, 100. You can feel that much cold it is. I'm fucking shivering over there. Oh, the park, bro. Oh, I love it. Oh, heavy vehicles. Take care. I think I should come more often to the south side. Oh my god, beautiful city, bro. You have to see that mountain though. You see the direct sunrise is coming on that mountain. Wow, beautiful. Oh my god. It's less that we तारीफ करते हैं ना. The God's beauty. इतना तारीफ करे तो बहुत कम है. Oh, that is so cool. I think आपको विंड नॉइज नहीं आ रही होगी. Hello dog, hello. Hello कुत्ता. Oh. How would I enter? Should I take this cornering? Let's hear that pops. The road is very good over here. It's becoming foggy over here. मैं उधर बोल रहा था रेनबो और फ्यू क्लाउड्स है करके. देखो आ गया एरिया. It's the same area. The clouds full fog over here. Actually there were not clouds, I think that was fog. Because over here there's no like so much of clouds and stuff. I think it's about to rain. It's like that the weather. Oh my god, this is more cold over here. Over here it's 17 degrees Celsius. Okay, actually this is not very much cold for me actually. Don't write it seems. Oh. I didn't get that. Okay, fine. Where? Over here. Guys, some water crossings. Some dogs. Hope they don't come fucking running behind me. Some cows. Mainly our goal is like the off-road, not off-road like real off-road. More nose is like running nose. This weather is actually good for the lake, Kere, lake. Literally, I also didn't know that. I will find out all the details about the location. Then I got to know it's like this, like this, like this, and all. Okay, there's a small patch of road over here. I think that's the thing, mountain. If that's the mountain, the scenery is so beautiful. Still clouds are there. It's 6:30. Are you sure this is the left? Oh, you saw that? So much crowd over here. Some employees batch over there. Oh, the scenery is so beautiful. I'll be like, what do you tell? Oh, cornering, let's go. I wasn't that much speed over here. I'm not gonna go above 60 over here, because it's like new for me, and if some blind spot come, I cannot. Then boom. I'd already had this accident like 3 years ago when I went to Kohli Hills. From that time, I know like I get the experience from that. This is not my like third or fourth trip. I've been to so many places. Oh, that's that Mandari temple, I think. I can see from here. The other spot is there. You guys can see it's very famous, bro. They take pics and all over here. I thought it was somewhere over there. It came on the on-way only road. Oh, some police. ಮೈಡಲ ಲೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾಂ, ಮೈದಳ ಲೇಕ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಲೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಂದರೆ
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ವಾಕ್
ವಾಕಾ? You guys saw that, huh? I gave him $50. He was like, fine, go. That's all you need, bro. It's like that only, bro. If you get some $20 also, fine. First I thought it last $100. Like, fine, $50 now lower there. Oh, okay, this is like that. I mean, if you want to go here, that main hilltop, then you have to climb. Oh my god, some 500 steps, 600 steps are there. Okay guys, this is the off-road. Let me wear my bag. Oh, this vlog will be very long. No issues. Cut it. Let's go, baby. Ooh. Oh, some slippy road over here because of the rain. Fine, got it. How the maps are showing, I'm going like that. So basically, if you come on Saturday and Sunday, you have to pay up $50. If you come in like group and all, $50 is nothing. Basically, this off-road is good, bro. Oh. Not as difficult as I thought. Just that the mid section is like full of rocks. So there are like 3 spots you can go from here. Okay, nearby. Oh shit. Not going inside there, it's very risky. Oh, just past that water crossing. Holy shit. I have to go from here. Ooh. See, when you have a bike, there's no issue. You have like power, etc., etc. When you have a scooter, now you have to be a little careful. See, all the mud has cleared because of soil erosion. So all that path has become a stone. What he told you have to walk from here. Oh. If you walk from there to here, na gone. Oh, this is good spot. Oh, no. This is very difficult. Oh my god, that's the lake. Little slow we will go. My bike is like, scooter is sliding. It doesn't want to go only. See, all the mud is going because of soil erosion, and my hands started to pain. Oh, like I'm not sliding out it. Just like proper off-roading. Oh, like proper off-roading this. Another off-roading. What fishing is there here? Oh, we have arrived, guys. Okay, so where should we go? Okay, fine. This is not the area. Oh, it's like so nice, bro. I have to find a way to go in now. So here we are, guys.